According to Newsweek magazine, Russia is set to receive further weapons deliveries from Iran, as Tehran works to solidify the relationship between the two countries. Russian forces have made considerable use of Iranian-made Shahed-131 and 136 unmanned aerial vehicles in Ukraine. Earlier in March, Moscow and Russia had reached a deal to buy Su-35 fighter jets from Moscow. The Shahed-136 is an Iranian loitering munition, suicide drone, developed and manufactured by Iran Aircraft Manufacturing Industrial Company, HESA. Geran 2 is a Russian name for Shahed-136. This drone has a delta wing shape. The length of the UAV is 350 centimeters, and the wingspan is 250 centimeters. With a weight of 30 to 50 kilograms, the drone is capable of carrying up to 50 kilograms of explosives. The Shahed-136 has a high explosive fragmentation warhead. The engine is at the rear and pushes the drone forward. Maximum speed is around 185 kilometers per hour. The UAV is equipped with a 2-stroke MD-550 piston engine, developing 50 horsepowers. This engine is easy to buy even on AliExpress. Similar engines were installed on scooters and mopeds. Hence the nickname, for the characteristic rattling sound of Geran 2, moped. Range is up to 2,000 kilometers. Altitude ceiling is 4,000 meters. Geran 2 is good for medium-sized and hardened targets that are stationary and not particularly protected by short-range air defenses. The effective use of Geran 2 is clear. 50 kilograms of explosives can cause serious damage to a target, almost equal to the explosion of a 155 mm caliber projectile. A drone can destroy a tank with direct strike, and it is generally capable of destroying less armored vehicles. Inspection of captured drones used by Russia during 2022 Ukraine invasion revealed that the Shahed-136 electronics were manufactured from American and EU-made components, such as a Texas Instruments TMS-320 processor and a Polish fuel pump made on behalf of UK-based company TI. The drone is launched from Iraq, which holds 5 of these drones. The Geran 2 launcher looks like a regular truck and is fairly easy to disguise. Several units launch a whole swarm of drones, which scatters immediately after launch. Unlike such drones as the Bayraktar, the Geran 2 is not designed to take off and land. It can only fly. It lands by falling down on the target and detonating the charge. Why have these drones become so popular? The most important factor is a low price. Geran 2 drone, according to estimates, vary from $20,000 to $50,000. That's up to 10 times less than caliber missile. But in terms of cumulative damage, this swarm of 10 drones can cause more damage. The warhead of the caliber weighs 200 to 450 kg. Drone swarm will overload enemy air defenses much more than one missile. 2 Geran 2 drones, in general, hard to knock down. Slow and low-flying air defense targets are more difficult to detect. Geran 2 is capable of flying at a height of only 50 meters, and its speed makes detection difficult. In addition to that, loitering time of this drone is 10 to 12 hours. Geran 2 drones are able to attack in packs, 5 or more drones at a time. Due to their size, they fit in trucks, ships, and railway cars. Small size makes Geran 2 invisible to radar. Flying at an altitude of only 60 meters, this drone leaves virtually no thermal trail, which is used by Western air defense systems. Geran 2 is resistant to anti-drone rifles and electronic warfare systems. The New York Times magazine calculated that geraniums are 7 times cheaper than the missiles with which the armed forces of Ukraine are trying to shoot them down. Iran and Russia are moving ahead with their plan to build a drone factory in Russia that will produce a new version of the Shahed-136 that can purportedly travel further and faster.